So there is a simple way how you can split a video into two parts on iPhone. So all you need to do is to just open your photos and videos section and choose the video which you want to split into two parts. So for example, the random one, this one, I want to click down here on editing. And this is the editing, and we want to grab the right arrow on the right side, which is this one. And if you want to split it into two parts, you have to select the exact time step. So for example, I want to split it at 2 seconds. So make sure to split it at 2 seconds, and it's gonna start from 0 and end at 2 seconds. Now click on done in right upper corner area and make sure to save video as a new clip. So the original one will keep in your photos. Now go back, and this is the new clip, and we want the second part. So go again to the original video, go to editing, and now we want to grab the arrow from the left and move it to 2 seconds. Make sure to hit exact 2 seconds or the time which you want. And now we want to click done in the right upper corner area and save video as new clip. And now if I go back, the video was successfully split into two parts. This is the original one, this is one part, and this is the second part. So it's simple as that. You don't have to download or install any editing software. You can do it just in your iPhone. So if you have any questions, leave a comment. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking, and see you next time.